Welcome to Choice Champions. The Best All Clean is probably one of the most innovative cleaning solutions I've come across. It promises a sparkling clean without the harsh chemicals, and I was intrigued. In this video, we're diving deep into All Clean, exploring its features, testing its effectiveness on various surfaces, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to witness the cleaning power and decide if it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Original Cleaning Pads. Introducing the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's 3x stronger than other cleaners for a superior clean. This product will make your cleaning easier. This all-purpose cleaner fights dirt all around the house. It works on various surfaces, from walls to oven doors, and tackles marks on light switches and doors. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser provides a powerful clean with just water. You don't need any additional cleaning agents to get the job done. Magic erasers come in different forms, including ultra thick, ultra foamy, ultra bath, and extra durable. This variety caters to all your cleaning needs. With Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, you can simplify your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to multiple cleaning products, this one does it all. What we like? This product offers a superior clean, being 3 times stronger than other options. It's also incredibly versatile, working on various surfaces throughout your home. If you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution that simplifies your routine, this is the one for you. What people say. The All Clean has a sleek and modern design. The product effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces. The cleaning solution leaves a fresh scent. Number 4. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL, 50 count. Introducing Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. This product provides a pack of 50 single-use face towels. They are designed to be gentle on your skin. These facial towels are dermatologist tested and approved. They are made from premium bamboo viscose, a soft and sustainable material. This makes them perfect for your skincare routine. This product is clinically shown to help you achieve visibly clearer skin. It can also reduce irritation and the appearance of redness. Using it will make your skin feel great. Always have a clean, single-use towel to dry your face. This product offers convenience and supports overall skin health. It is a great addition to your daily routine. The advanced cellulose fiber technology supports overall skin health. It also supports skin barrier function. This product is a great choice for your skin. What we like? These towels are made from a soft, sustainable bamboo viscose, gentle on your skin. They are also dermatologist tested and designed to support your skin's health. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for an eco-friendly option for your skincare routine, you should consider these. What people say. All Clean has a sleek and modern design. The product effectively removes dirt and grime. The cleaning solution leaves surfaces sparkling clean. Number 3. Clean Skin Club XL Face Wipes. These extra moist towelettes are designed to be a one-step facial cleanser and makeup remover. It's perfect for quickly refreshing your skin, leaving it feeling clean and revitalized. The wipes are formulated to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing makeup. They are fragrance-free and contain no alcohol or harsh chemicals, making them suitable for all skin types. This product can easily remove even the most stubborn mascara. It effortlessly tackles pore-clogging dirt, sweat, oil, and environmental toxins, leaving your skin refreshed. This product is a convenient all-in-one solution. It's a makeup remover and facial cleanser all in one. It eliminates the need for multiple products and steps in your skincare routine. After using the wipes, your skin will feel soft and rejuvenated. The product leaves your skin feeling refreshed and clean without the need for rinsing. What we like? This product is a one-step solution for cleansing and removing makeup. It's designed to be gentle on your skin, eliminating the need for rinsing. If you like a quick and easy way to cleanse your face, this is a great choice. What people say. The All Clean has a sleek and modern design. The product effectively removes dirt and grime. The cleaning solution leaves surfaces sparkling clean. Number 2. Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler 24-pack. Introducing the Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler. These tablets are designed for all types of washing machines, including front loaders and top loaders. It ensures a thorough clean for your machine. This cleaner works perfectly with brands like GE, LG, Samsung, and more. It is designed to keep your washing machine in top condition. Please note that it is not for use in dryers. These eco-friendly tablets are septic safe and made with minimal packaging. They are a great alternative to liquid descalers and wipes, reducing unnecessary waste. You can feel good about using it. The active self-wash tablets clean so you don't have to. They break down into a deep scrubbing powder when exposed to water. This helps break down grime and hard water buildup effectively. Each package includes a 1-year supply of 24 pods. This is a great value compared to competitor packs. It ensures you have enough to keep your machine clean all year long. Say goodbye to smelly washers with this Descaler. It freshens your laundry machine basket, rubber gasket, and internal parts. Your clothes will come out clean and smelling fresh. What we like. This product works with all types of washing machines and is made with eco-friendly materials. It also eliminates odors, leaving your machine and clothes smelling fresh. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to maintain your washing machine, this is the one for you. What people say. The All Clean has a sleek and modern design. The product is very effective at removing dirt and grime. The All Clean is easy to use and requires minimal setup. Number 1. Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena Hand Soap Refill. This refill is perfect for those with busy hands. It's designed to keep your hands clean and refreshed, even after a long day. The soap is gentle yet effective, leaving your hands feeling soft and clean. The liquid hand soap is made with essential oils, aloe vera, and olive oil. These ingredients work together to create a moisturizing and effective clean. You'll love how it feels on your skin. The lemon verbena scent is light and refreshing. It's a mild citrus fragrance that will invigorate your senses. The scent is not overpowering, making it perfect for everyday use. This hand soap is made without parabens, phthalates, or artificial colors. It's a safe and gentle option for your family. You can feel good about using this product every day. Mrs. Meyer's products are made with cruelty-free formulas and are Leaping Bunny certified. This means the product is not tested on animals. It's a choice you can feel good about. This moisturizing hand soap is designed to soften busy and hard-working hands. It helps to keep your hands from drying out. Use it daily to keep your hands feeling their best. What we like. This hand soap is made with essential oils and features a refreshing lemon verbena scent. The formula is also cruelty-free. If you like a hand soap that is gentle on your skin and leaves your hands smelling wonderful, you should consider this. What people say. He has a neutral and light scent. Did the job and never make my hands dry. They do their job without making your hands dry. This soap smells great and the bottle is great value for the price, lasting longer than other soaps. The apple cider scent is perfect for fall and winter. 3-pack of soap is great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.